Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an all drugstore makeup look, and I am trying out some new products with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, of course. And yeah, let's get started with this all drugstore makeup look. Okay, love, so let's start off with primer. I'm gonna start off with this new primer that I have never tried before. It's the Hard Candy Lift and Firm Primer. It says it moisturizes and tightens skin for a facial contour. Oh, I am so excited to try this out. I have never tried it, so let's try it together so I can give you guys. Also, it's very like liquidy, you guys can see. So let's apply this on the skin, see how good it is. Oh god, this feels so good. Yeah, it definitely feels very hydrating, which is awesome because I do have dry skin, so I absolutely love it. I absolutely love anything that keeps my face very moisturized. So then I'm gonna go in with this Hard Candy Cushion Wonder. This is a color corrector. Now, I used to use these a lot in the beginning of my channel. Like when I first started off, like I used to use a lot of color correcting, but then I stopped for a while, and then I want to try this out. This is the neutral, no, this is the Skin Imperfection Neutralizer. So it helps with neutralizing like skin pigmentation. So I'm going to use this under the eyes, and I'm just going to use very little of it because I do have darkness under the eyes. I'm going to put some right here and some of the acne marks because my face has been acting crazy. So I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge and just blend it into the skin. Absolutely love Hard Candy. They have awesome stuff. They have very good like concealers and stuff. Absolutely love Hard Candy. Okay, for today's foundation I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. When this first came out, this was like such a hype, and it's just so affordable, so everyone was like obsessed with this foundation because it was just that good. It just gives you some awesome coverage, and it's more of like a satiny matte. I mean, I wouldn't say it's all matte because I don't feel like, even though I use like a hydrating primer, I don't feel like it's super duper matte on my skin, which I like because, you know, I don't like super matte foundations on my skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the Real Technique sponge again and just blend this out. So I also wanted to do a little bit chit chat, get ready with me, because I do want you guys to leave me some questions down below in the comment section, because I want to do an updated Q&A because I do have so many new subscribers, and I would love to do an updated Q&A for you guys, get some questions, answer any question that you guys have for me, of course. And I want to thank also everyone that participated in my giveaway, my back to school giveaway. Thank you guys so much for participating. And I'm so happy that everyone entered and stuff like that, which I love. I love to do little giveaways here and there. I am going to be doing another giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned to that, because if you are a loyal subscriber and are following me, you guys will know first. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop palette. I know this, you cannot go into the store and buy it, but it's such an affordable brand. ColourPop is so affordable, so I consider it drugstore, so I wanted to use it today. So I'm gonna go into this white shade right here to set my primer. Of course, not primer, but I did apply the foundation on my eyelids, so I definitely want to set that. And then we're gonna go into a very simple, easy look that I love. It's very simple, not too hard to do, so I'm excited to show you guys. I've been obsessed with this look. I've been using it lately. Every time I wear black, and my favorite color to wear is black, so I've been doing the look from this palette like every other day. I just love it. I love it. It's very simple, very easy to create, so I'm super excited to try it with you guys, show you. So what I do for my look, I love to grab this beautiful yellow shade right here, and I'm just going to get the color with my Vanity Planet brush, and I just start like patting it in to my crease area, and I just go and pat it until I get the yellow shade. Okay, love, so I am completely done with my makeup look. Let me know down below if you love it, if you want something different with more colors. Let me know down below, because I definitely want to be playing with more colors in my makeup looks, because I just want to do something different, of course. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.